Hey guys, welcome back to the latest video, and today we are visiting Best Buy in America, Jersey City. And if I just show you around, so this is the Best Buy we're visiting, and it's basically an electronic store, so we're going to be comparing prices. Now there's a little bit of a, I don't know if I can call it shopping center, but there's an Acme where we will also pop. So if you want to see what Acme looks like inside, please like and subscribe to see the video. And yeah, and they're doing the car park over there, and this is what it looks like around here. Okay, so today we have an exchange rate $1 to 0.747 pound. So again, something that would cost $10 would be £7.47 approximately. So let's see sort of like how the electronic prices range from UK to US, and you know, whether there really are any savings to be made if you buy anything here. So let's take a look. So you guys, I employed my handheld tool because it's just so difficult to record without it, and you know what, I'm not doing anything wrong, so I'm just going to, you know, do it. Okay, so let's start small kitchen appliances. I mean, even last time it was quite empty. So the NutriBullet, I think it's around the same price in the UK. We do have, maybe they have a different, these ones, but you know, it is around £100 still. And then we have these mixers, so sort of $200.99. If you remember, the dollar to a pound today is 0.74. So Dyson is very popular in the UK as well. These Ninja ovens, $249. Guys, do you know what I love about America is the big appliances that we're going to see in a minute. So these are very popular, but also in Slovakia. So these are $159. So we have this one as well. We could get, I don't know, so $199. And yeah, so these are like a coffee makers. Again, Ninja. Now this one we have got in the UK as well. I feel like the prices are cheaper here. Well, of course, this Dyson brush, wow, that's really expensive, $600. So wow, but guys, everything is just so expensive. Oh my goodness, what is this even? £499 for hair straighteners. That's madness. Got some washing machines, but then we're used to big appliances, you know, from Costco already. So this is $730. $850. So guys, if somebody is looking at me suspiciously, I have to like pretend like I'm sort of doing it for a friend. So that's really massive. I love big appliances, you guys, and leave it, but I do. $839. And there's a lot of these like sort of like fillable from the top. In Slovakia it's like this as well. We have a lot of these. And then you can add extra water to any cycle. So they do love their coffee. They even have a massive range of coffee flavors in States. So again, around $1,000. Again, we have these fillable from the top. So this one, is that, oh yes, so this is one of those where I think they are sort of one, I believe. So they somehow, no, this is not the one, because there is one who sort of communicates, or I think it is the one, because there's one that communicates with the bottom, but I don't know whether this would be the one or not, because I think this is just a normal dryer. This one, no, that's a washer as well. Yeah, again, fillable from the top. I actually quite like these. We've had this when I was a kid, and they are still sort of popular in Slovakia. Look at these cute fridges. Literally, you can have it next to your bed. How much is this? $200. What is this? Mini fridge again. That's so cute. Literally can take it everywhere. Hoover. Oof, I love good Hoover. You know, powerful. Again, how much are they? $3.99. The next one, $949. But you know what? I still prefer the not cordless, but the corded vacuums. Please let me know in the comments what one you prefer. This one's $700. Oh my god, always looking for the opening. And again, lots of them are fillable from the top. Even when I was doing apartment tours, you know, they are like that. In many apartments, they are filled from the top. And in Slovakia, you get this as well. Well, this one is a little bit fatty bum. Let's try and open it. Okay, it's cute. I like the way it's sticking out. It's very nice. Ooh, this is good as well. Oh my goodness, these are mega beautiful. Oh, me like, yeah, so how much are these? 680 pounds, $80, I should say. No, these prices are crazy. I don't know. Mr. Dyson, you really need to slow down. Okay, so we've got Shark over there, which we have also in UK. And my son has this Roomba. Is it Roomba? No, this is Shark, but my son has Roomba. This one. Oh, this one also washes. Oh, that's good. I'm sort of waiting for when robots are available to clean properly. Guys, look at how massive these are. These are so good. Imagine Christmas cooking. You literally never run out of space. Now, at least I don't see these as normal in the UK. These are quite large. And the price is $890.99. It's quite big inside. Look at that. I love these big things here. Look at that. How spacious that is. You've got these ovens as well. Or is it an oven? Looks more like a microwave, but I don't know. Okay, so that's oven over the range microwave. Wow, that is a massive microwave, isn't it? How do you even open it? Oh my god, this is big. I don't think I've ever seen a microwave this big. So it's got, okay, so you can actually literally use it as a oven. Wow, that is a lot of usage you get out of that microwave. And this, honestly, I don't know whether we have anything like this. Maybe. Wow. So yeah, got fridges over there. Ooh, these ranges, beautiful. Fridges are $1,600. I mean, you know, like when it's like this, it just feels like it's taking up most of the space, but I don't know. If you have it, is it spacious? Is it as spacious as it seems? Or is this sort of like in the way? And you've got this AI stuff now, don't you? Yeah, spacious. $1,600, and then they have these freezers, don't they? But this is something that we see in Costco as well. So you can get these freezers and fridges. And this one's 2,430. And this has got a few freezer drawers. Oh, such a nice gentleman. I was actually asking whether I'm okay to record. He was like, yeah, you know. Again, this big thing. I mean, I'm not even an ice person, and now I've got this toothache. But yeah, so there's a lot of stuff. Oh my god, they love their coffee machines, don't they? Oh, look at this. Oh my god, so here you can literally see who is outside. That's scary. And it's got Alexa. Well, this I like. I like this. I would take this. And I like this style as well. So we've got all sorts of check what's in the fridge. This is like an AI stuff, you know. It's probably like AI stuff, I think. Yeah, goodness me. So it's literally you've got your laptop on here. You can go to Facebook on your fridge. And check my channel on YouTube very quickly. And go to Instagram, say hello to your friends while you're fishing in a fridge. Wow. But you know what, guys, this is the way we're going, and why not? We deserve it, honestly. Guys, you deserve everything. So get it. If you want it, get it, because it's quite cool. And generally I think in US they are sort of like embracing AI in a really great way. I have mentioned in my other videos that, you know, I'm also talking to AI when looking for property. So here I have Shark Hoover. We paid around this price. I think it's even this one I have. And yeah, we paid around 200, nearly 300, I think. So yeah. I mean, the price is a little bit similar. Yeah, so obviously Shark is a recognizable brand, and now we're heading towards TVs. Okay guys, do you love big TV? I absolutely adore big TV, and I think it's a must investment to invest in a good TV. Again, this is that fridge where you can go on Facebook on your fridge. 2,600. Oh, let's go TVs. Oh. Oof. Yeah, this is why I have the handheld device, because I can do tricks. See? Right, so this one. Alexa, find comedies. Okay. Alexa, find comedies. It's pretending it's not hearing me. So this one's $449. That's cheap though. Is that really? $449. Seriously? 75-inch? That's incredible price actually. What's going on? $449? Wow. $37 a month. Honestly guys, if we had this offer in the UK, I would take it, because I am in the market for a bigger TV. What is this? This is a painting, or is it a TV? No, that cannot be a TV. Yes, it's actually a TV. So it's a TV that has that acts like a, you know, moving paintings. So it's a Google TV, guys. So imagine with AI stuff, you can literally, you know, upload all your AI images. I have about 40,000 images built with AI, or made with AI. Yeah, I mean, my son has Google TV. I quite like it. Oh, look at this one. This is $900. So It's official, you guys. You know, the TVs are cheaper here. They really are. So this one's trying to figure out how big it is for the 85. So, oh, I love big TVs. Look at that. I don't know if you really can see how big it is because it's sitting low. It's massive. We've got some surround systems. Prices are excellent. So these are 66-inch. Yeah. LG LED. Yeah, this is the thing now, isn't it? So uh, 77, 65. Yeah, so these are more expensive in the UK as well. We're looking at higher prices, but I still think that they do have higher prices in the UK, definitely. Yeah. Do you know what? Last time I couldn't find one person to help me. Today there's quite a few of them. Oh my god, these Google TVs are so cheap. $649. And they're good, you know. My son has one. $75. Oh, I love this, that it's sort of like I do this, you know, I sort of like do fireplace on TV. Yes, I think these are TVs. Oh yeah, no, there are some more there. This is interesting size. Bravia 3, Google TV. Very, very nice picture. Look at that. So gorgeous. Okay, let's head towards the computer. So I thought you guys would be interested in tablets. So this is Galaxy Tab 10 series. Some pricing. And then that one is a bit bigger. Actually, they're quite nice, aren't they? Let's have a look. Yeah. Very cute. Actually, now I'm sort of looking for a new laptop as well. This one's 1,490. Let's have a look around for laptops. So we've got and see what the prices are like. So these are like gaming phones, I guess. Right. So Asus. If you want to guys pause and see the specifications. Do you know what? I still sometimes miss like my desktop. I've had such a lovely experience with my desktop. What the hell is this Lenovo handheld? That's massive. I mean, guys, look at how big it is. And that's 650. don't know. So this one, I mean, 600 and no, this is actually 890. This one, Acer. Oh, I've had Acer before. 2,490. Let's take a look. Oh, these are just, oh, look at this. This is so cool. Yeah, this is like a curved screen. 1,700? Wow, it's a bit much. And then we have the desktop, but these are just the screens. Yep, large screens. So we've got more laptops here. Lenovo Yoga Slim, which is $1,300. Does it turn on or not really? It's a little bit overheating though. This is HP for 1,169. Again, Asus. Very nice and slick. So they have a lot of Asus ones. I don't know how good Asus is though. 699. This one. Dell. I have Dell now, and I don't know how happy I am with it, and they are very expensive as well. 1,300. What I am looking for is something with a massive memory now, because obviously we need something to pull the, oh, this is really nice to touch. We need something to pull the AI data. So I would probably have to speak to some experts on it, like my son, and see what he thinks, because obviously that is what I would be looking at. 199 HP. Oh my god, this is so like last century HP. This is so cute. $199. And it's HP again. This is Asus again. So these are, I think, a little bit like cheaper. So, but they probably don't have the specifications that we are looking for. Oh, touch screen. Okay, so that's touch screen, 349. And this one's Lenovo again. I mean, I love Lenovo, you know. It's not a bad brand. And it's just that, you know, like one thing that I am looking for right now is it needs to have like a massive memory. HP. Oh my god, this reminds me of a long time ago, like we had these HP laptops. HP laptops everywhere. And here we have again Lenovo. Lenovo's big. Lenovo. So sort of going to do it this way. So guys, if you understand these prices, please let me know if you think it's a good price for these, or do we have better prices in the UK? It's definitely something I am interested in. Yeah, but I know what I'm looking for, and it has to be something that 799. And then these are desktop ones. Look at those, so cute ones. Love them. So I have heard about this portable internet before. So basically it's a high-speed internet around the world, and you can do it at home and on the go. So it would be interesting to find out more. I mean, this is what it looks like. Obviously SpaceX is owned by Elon Musk. But yeah, I have heard about this, so it will be worth sort of like for you guys who don't have internet available. This is apparently a good thing, $67. But I don't know if you need to get anything else with it. That's the thing. But yeah, I have seen this actually mentioned already, but this was on the Czech YouTuber that I watched. So there's a lot of Starlink. Get yourself a smarter home. Very, very smart home. Guys, I haven't got smart home, but I have a nice home and I'm happy. This is exciting, but at the same time it's a little bit like scary as well, because it's just getting too clever, everything. So, and here we have mouse, this, keyboards. So, you know, what have you. And of course then we have the, okay, these are cameras. And of course we have the Apple products over here. But it's still like, I remember I was here once before, this was full. Okay, oh my goodness, look at this, Apple. 1,500. Press any key to learn more. Oh my god, how cute is this, you guys, right? How cute is this? So cute. Apple. And this Apple, oh my god, look at this keyboard. Literally like, oh my god, it's so cute. I can't get over it, guys. You know, like I've never had one Apple product. Well, I mean, laptop. So, but oh my god, how cute is this? This is just gorgeous. I love this. But you know, like my worry is that I would have to start learning how to operate the system all over again. But I don't know if it's difficult. I was always scared of these laptops, but I had iPhone a lot. Oh my god, again, how slim. Oh my god, this is even smaller. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I love it. You just put it in your pocket. So gorgeous. I love it. I am in love with it. I think this one's my favorite. So pinky and beautiful. And oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Pinky. You know, these are Apple products as well. But to be honest, I think I would prefer something like this. These ones, now that I've seen them. Although probably this is more practical, something like this. So the prices, again, depending probably on the, you know, like the specifications. I think now you have to be so careful when buying a new laptop, because obviously with AI, iPad Pro with AI, obviously you need bigger memory, because I now see when I am using AI, it takes up a lot of my memory, and my computer crashes a lot as well as a consequence. So that is something to think about. I mean, I'm hoping, you know, we will start seeing Pro Max. That's great. Love, love, love these. Yeah, I'm impressed. I mean, I fell in love with the Apple one, which is the pink one. I think it's just so incredibly cute. But because I mainly work on my sofa, you know, it's like how, you know, how practical this would be. That's the thing. But I mean, look at how gorgeous this is, right? Oh my god. Yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions for me, please pop it in the comments, because I am coming back to States in a month or so. And so if you want to see anything else from these stores, please pop it in the comments, and please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. And the next video is going to be from Acme. As you can tell, I'm already ready. And yeah, now this was a really, really good experience. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.